Okay, tree's done. Now I have some other trees that are previously processed, aka pallets. So I saw a method for breaking these down, and I did try to use them in the van build as best I can because it's free. So I got these for free, and I granted my time, effort. I understand it's the cost, and I could just go down and get a 2x4 for $2.50 a piece, maybe. Especially if in a few months I'm going to tear this design down. I know, hard to say that. But I might do a Gen 2 or a second version once I realize what the layout really needs to be to make it livable. How's that? Wow. Oh, this is just wrong. This might not be a good way. Yeah. So that's what I was curious about. It's split. How to do this? It's worked half the time. And I know this next one's going to be split. I'm already seeing it's all cracked in here. But, good practice. I'm going to clear it out anyhow. So this is backbreaking work because I'm lifting up the pallet every single piece for 3 times a piece. That's a lot of lifting. But the board that's been split isn't even cracking. Now the only thing I've noticed is the nails don't come up easily. So there's a method. Let's say just get the job done in a timely manner. So that's kind of 50-50. I want the nails to be in this board because I have a thing in a second that's going to shoot them out this side. But when they're stuck in there, I got to pry them up, which takes more effort. So I'd rather be in the boards. But that huge split, and that didn't mess with it. So I'm actually impressed. So this method seems to get a pass. Banzai. So there you have it. I've got 1 nail, 2 3s. So I'm missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still not impressed. I think these boards are just fairly old, which is great. They're nice and dry, but I've heard getting these wet ahead of time might help them swell and take more of the nails. I don't have time for that. Next time though, food for thought.